In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add an emoji next to your profile name or username in Slack. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to do that, it's quite simple. Just head over to your Slack workspace and then head over to your name down here by clicking on the profile icon. From here, go ahead and click on this option called update your status. Now, if you click on this, you can see we have quite a number of emojis that you can use next to your username or profile name. From this, go ahead and click on any. For instance, I want to go ahead and use working remotely. So if I click on it and then go ahead and save, now you can see next to my name, we have that emoji. However, I don't want this emoji. I'd like to go ahead and change it to a different one. To do that, go back again to your profile image, click on your current status, and then go ahead and click on edit suggestion for Crescent Labs. That is your profile name. And under status, you'll be able to see quite a number of emojis here. So you can go ahead and find out any of the emojis that you want. For instance, if I go ahead and remove this, now from here, you can go ahead and change the emoji to the one that you want. So if, for instance, I click on this, I can go ahead and choose from this list and then select the one that you want. And then next to it, I'll write ever happy and then click on save. Now, once you have changed that, head back to your profile here again and click on status. And now we shall remove this. And now you can see your emoji that you have just set is available. You can now choose from it. And here we go. Then save. And immediately, as you can see, your new emoji will be added next to your profile name. And you can also see it here. So that's how you can add an emoji next to your profile name or next to your username. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.